सा सर फ्लैप था तो अनसेंसर्ड हो जाता था.
Right. So answer to the first question. What is the first question? What were the challenges that Mike faced when he took charge of the call center? So that is the question you are supposed to answer.
So the challenge was that majority of the employees had a negative feeling for the organization.
Okay. And the other team can see if you agree, disagree. How? Okay.
Then there is a poor leadership.
There was poor leadership.
Poor leadership, poor performance.
Poor performance,
And
okay.
then it's they were demotivated. Employees were demotivated.
Correct.
They were disempowered also.
Disempowered. That is a really bad feeling, right? It is said that if you lose money, you have lost something. If you lose family, you have lost a lot. But if you lose hope, then you've lost everything. So how was the feeling at the call center? Did they have hope of any change? No. So that hopeless situation is an environment where people hate to work, and that feels like a big load on your chest. Good. Anything else?
There was no communication from the senior management to the down people. Lack of communication.
Lack of communication was an issue.
No goal, no vision.
Okay. Anything else?
There was tremendously low morale.
Low morale.
And there's also complacency about the current situation. They were complacent about it. I mean, they wanted to, this has got easy with that. They felt like there was a change, but nobody really wanted to take it up, and they were just working.
In fact, it was quite the opposite. They thought that their voice was not heard, and even if they spoke anything, nothing would make any difference.
So that's what I meant, yeah.
Okay.
So,
All right.
They recognized.
Yeah, there was no recognition. Anything else you would like to add?
It was actually a close working environment wherein you just be yourself. You do not communicate, you don't come out, and it naturally the whole step follows. Then you lose your pride, then you lose your mission, and then it all comes down, crashing.
maybe they just worked because they needed the job.
Yeah, they worked just because they needed the job, and that's not motivated, not engaged any kind of employees. Great. So anyone else wants to add anything besides that? Or kuch tha? What were the challenges?
All this leads to they lost their self-confidence.
Loss of self-confidence. That is one bad thing. Okay. But what were the basic challenges? Performance? Performance. So that was the biggest challenge, and these are maybe the reasons or the causing factors of that performance challenge. So how far was this center, call center, in performance?
You're 20% down with the
Right. Correct. So the closest call center se bhi kitna piche the? They were way behind the next lowest call center, so they were really bad. Okay, good. So we agree? Disagree? Agree with them. Okay, so I'll ask the second team. They were done second, na? Aapko third question पूछेंगे. All right. Camera shy people.
Sir, please show the camera.
Second question, what are the practices that Mike used to bring out the best in everyone?
A lot of things have started. At least we met the people.
They set up a vision and mission
Okay.
and took a feedback from the
Feedback. He's taken the feedback from the team.
Okay, he took the feedback from the team.
And
He said,
he asked them to give the objectives, present situation,
okay,
objective to the for the company, objective for the colleagues, and then he also asked them to what they want in the future.
okay.
So that thing he has started.
So that was a good practice?
Good practice, yes.
Okay, what were the other practices?
He told his real life story.
Excellent.
To motivate.
To motivate.
To motivate. And that was not a false story, but that was the truth, that he started as a garage worker and he moved all the way up to the management and he retired and he came back. So that creates an environment of trust and people feel that we have someone who really cares about us, and that's what makes the difference.
and the most important thing is he came back because he wanted to be over there.
Right.
Not due to management.
Not due to management, not because of money. He's already achieved whatever needs to be achieved. He's already retired. So that makes a difference when people...
He also shared his aim that he want to grow the people. That's the reason he is here.
Okay. What other practices he used?
He has started Pride
Pride
Day.
Day.
Pride. Pride stands for what? Delivering excellence, correct? And so what did people do during the Pride?
They start giving their views and reward and recognition was
So the
there.
reward and recognition, and who was doing the reward? Only Mike?
The people also.
Right. Okay, what were the other practices? Lots of practices he used, correct?
Celebrating heroes.
Celebrating heroes. Is it important?
Wednesday day, Pride Day.
Pride
Pride
Day.
Day.
Pride Day was Wednesday.
India is marked by the bead.
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 You can display the beads because it's something visible. People die for ribbons. People don't die for money. True or false?
Yes.
So people die for a ribbon, for a medal, but they don't die for money. You can give, 50 lakhs to someone to die, they won't do that. But army, you give a medal and people do it. So sometimes appreciation has more value than money itself. And often we are not appreciating enough. True, false? In our personal life, also in our work life. Any other practices that you remember? Anyone else?
He actually done the 360-degree analysis.
Absolutely. He
Of
met
each
with
and every
everyone.
employee.
Yeah.
He met with everyone and listened to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember some of the phrases that Mike used that were excellent?
You can't lie to yourself.
You can't lie to yourself at 4 a.m. in the morning. What else is there? Do you want to be a leader? Are you ready to do all the things that are necessary? Then, do you remember the phrase? Turn the mirror around. And what does that mean? Introspective.
See for yourself that what is you want to do.
No, more importantly, I am saying something, but is my audio and video matching? So is my video matching the audio? And I'll give you an example. My kids, when they were younger, we took them to the dentist once a year, and the dentist would keep telling them, "ये floss नहीं करते हैं." You understand what flossing is. So I told them, I tell them all the time, please floss, लेकिन वो सुनते ही नहीं है. So then he asked me a pointed question. Said, "Do you floss?" I said, "No." So how do I expect them to floss? So this is what leadership is: leading by example, doing the things first. Manager says go, leader says let's go. So I am together with you. So these are the practices of leadership.
And one thing you said we did, which is a very good thing.
That is wonderful, right? People are always, when a new
Keep on
leader
giving
takes in,
ideas.
people are always skeptical. कि बातें तो बड़ी-बड़ी करता है, देखो अभी काम क्या करेगा. Let's see what he delivers. Yes? So you said we did. Slowly and steadily, people have to come along. He also said that you have lost the right to suffer in silence. Speak up, give me inputs, give me things that I can do something about. ठीक है? I cannot change the management, I cannot change the company, I cannot change the economic environment, but whatever I can do, give it to
It
me.
is doable.
I think the beauty of it was that generally the vision and the mission is just forced down upon us.
Wonderful.
But-
So
but here-
excellent point.
Here it was, people came up with that mission because of those postcards or post-its or whatever.
Absolutely. Would you, just because I'm your leader and I come in and tell you this is my vision, not necessarily you'll buy into it, but when it's your vision, when it's our vision, then we buy into it, right? So how many times we tell subordinates कि ये करना है क्योंकि company को ये चाहिए? How many times we heard him or her कि उनको क्या चाहिए? See, these are some of the practices he applies. So excellent answer. We'll come to your team. Third question. What is the question?
How can you apply some of the tools and methods to your workplace?
Okay.
We have learned so many things from this case study,
Mm-hmm.
and we would like to apply in our workplace pride too. So that-
Pride.
Yeah.
Okay, so you would like to apply pride. And how would you start? See again, what was the cost of the beads? छोटे से जो
Yeah.
negligible. But what was the effect or influence? Because everybody is participating. So, is it hard to give appreciation certificates, ribbons, badges, medals? ठीक है? Appraisal तो एक बार आता है साल में, लेकिन these kinds of things and appreciation you can give throughout the year. Yes or no? Okay. What else would you like to apply to your work?
Regular interactions with the team.
Regular
What they are
interactions with the
expecting.
team.
Yeah, their limitations, shortcomings, how we can overcome it.
Correct.
If you see in the whole case study,
Mhm.
the most important factor what he did is like he opened all the channels of communication
Correct.
to create confidence between the people so that people can open up, give their ideas, feel as a ownership like this. Yes,
Absolutely.
this is my company. This is
Right.
we are doing it.
Right.
And then starting rewarding and recognizing people, for
Rewarding.
ideas and all those things.
Correct.
That was the one part like which we got it from here,
Mhm.
and to implement it the same way to our wherever
Right.
we are working.
So how can you apply it to your own specific
So-
work situation? Like she said that
So you give
I will start.
properly like feedback to the people where with whom you are working
Mhm.
timely,
Mhm.
like, and sit with them, try to improve.
Sit with them. See,
sit
this
with
is
them.
one of the things we
Yeah.
hardly ever do. We don't sit
So
and
what
listen
will
to
listen
them.
will
Sir, as a manager-
will apply.
Mhm.
So as a manager, like we always try to do that. Like we pointing somebody is something different, but developing a guy and give him a help and take along with him. Like
Mhm.
yes, that is always a challenge.
Absolutely.
But that is one thing which leaders do.
Mhm.
They always try to take people along with, and wherever they feel like these are the weaknesses of the guy, so they try to just help them on those areas.
Correct. So how would you apply? I agree with all the things, but how can you specifically apply? Her suggestion I like, that I'll start Pride or a ribbon or a banner or a certificate or a plaque on the wall or whatever else. How can you apply? And anyone else can
That
answer
we are
also.
doing already. We have a program called Pat on Back.
Okay.
So that is one good program like in our organization. So
Good.
if somebody is doing something good,
Mhm.
his manager will give him a tag with Pat on Back.
Okay.
An
Good.
instant
Yeah,
recognition.
Instant recognition. Good. So that is excellent. What else can you apply from Mike?
So what you said, we did it. It should come in example.
It should be applied.
Applied.
Say, to give you an example, Toyota started an employee suggestion system where everyone can put suggestion in a box. This was late 60s, early 70s.
I'm working on that suggestion box system in my company.
Right, but what happens is, most of the times, people, one or time they'll put a suggestion, but they know कि this is an exercise in futility. सबको अच्छा लगाने के लिए ये नाटक चल रहा है, HR का नया नाटक आया है. That is the kind
Yes,
of feeling
yes.
people have. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is something new that HR has started or something new that new leader has started an initiative. But what do you think, what percentage of suggestions that workers on the front line made, Toyota implemented? आपको क्या लगता है? अगर 100 suggestion आए थे, तो उसमें से कितने implement किए Toyota ने? What do you think? What is your guess?
10%?
10%?
Yes.
70%?
100%.
99.6%.
100%.
Almost everything.
99.6% of all the suggestions were implemented, and they are the ones. Because how can someone sitting in the office know what are the problems in the front line if you don't listen to your people, if you don't implement your suggestions, and if you think you know it all? You know, I am the manager, I am supposed to know everything. What are you going to tell me that I don't know? I am here the manager. So that is what happens in a lot of organizations. People don't feel heard.
But I think because the audience was to be mature to send those suggestions, you couldn't implement anything that anybody writes, right?
Correct.
You have
Yeah.
to ratify and see if that's...
Yeah, people a lot of times send things that are personal grievances or vendetta or those kinds of things you can't implement. But then again comes from an environment of leadership and trust. When there is an environment of trust, at your home or in your family, does anybody give a suggestions that is crazy? Why? Because there is an environment of trust. People won't do that. So if the same environment is at your workplace, hardly anyone would give a suggestion that is at least crazy. It might be unimplementable, it might have other things associated, but not crazy. Okay?
I just say the same thing. I'm a part of Honda.
Hmm.
So like Toyota and Honda, they work on the same system. So Kaizen, like what you're talking about,
Right.
we talk about. So to just motivate people, they do it. So even they pay money. So whatever he is suggesting is valuable for us. So if you are not even implementing, you sit with the guy, tell him, get all the details, and then improvise that.
Correct.
Like we can do this way.
Correct.
So that he will feel like yes,
Absolutely.
idea has taken.
Because-
Or we can assure them that we will implement this later.
Correct.
Right now
Yeah.
we
In
can't
fact, we
implement
will learn an exercise today as to how you can have suggestions. But remember this, no involvement, no commitment. See, if I enforce something or if I shove it down your throat, there will not be any commitment. Only the time, it should come from inside. And that comes from involvement. When you listen to the person, when you explain to him or her that yes, this suggestion we can implement, but this one I don't think we can do it at this point of time. Maybe later, maybe. Then at least there is a buy-in. Okay, great. And finally, what are other key takeaways from Mike's stories? You guys get the last shot at it. You know, you can say anything or everything.
So from the entire story, it comes to about the conclusion
Mhm.
that if you want to decide or want to define the success, then
Mhm.
success means nothing but the involvement with continuous improvement.
Okay.
because he involved his employees, he involved himself, he participate with the improvement, he improved to the people. People also shown interest for his, for the improvement. That's why they succeed.
But like I feel
He
the
made them
major
responsible for-
aspect apart from this, the major thing is to keep at it. It's like
Okay.
you're doing, you
Remember-
continue with that. Open the
Absolutely.
communication.
Every day is an opening day. Did you read that somewhere?
Yeah.
What does it mean? Every day is an opening day means just because you achieve this target, does the world stop? The world doesn't stop, right? Constant improvement, competitors catch up, pest environment you've heard, right? Political, economic, all those environments are always changing and they're changing faster than ever, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So what used to take a decade, now it's taking 2 years to.
What is the best of performance? Economical?
Social and technological, TEST. So those changes are always going on, correct? Any other things that you notice? Any
The biggest thing that we broke is a communication barrier.
communication barrier?
We reached out
Do you
to
remember
people.
AskMike.com?
Yes.
You put any kind of suggestions. I mean, not just one method of communication in person.
In fact, the methodology what it was used, that is, one was the individual meeting, another was the town hall.
Town hall meetings. See, that is another thing.
So to address, then the other method like the AskMe.com.
AskMike.com.
AskMy.com, and then celebrating Pride Days.
Correct.
And make them feel like it is the sense of ownership.
Sense of ownership. No involvement, no commitment. So whether you are managing a team of 2 or 10 or 35 or 50, all these things apply to you, and we'll break these down, each of the practices, but after tea break. So kya ho raha hai? Can we meet back at 11:30?
Yep.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We were the leadership is a relationship,
Okay.
which I think has been a lifelong takeaway for me, and I'll always remember it like wherever I am.
And what would you like to apply?
Apply to my team, okay, improve my bonding and relationship with my team, understand what are their strengths, how do I need to improvise on their weakness, okay, and also understand what is it that they would like that they need to be awarded and rewarded for, something very personalized, which I could, basically reward them with time and
Reward
again.
with personalization.
Yes.
Very nice. You?
The leadership, I've been hearing it. I was thinking that I'm practicing it also. Some people told me that yes, you are a good leader also. But actually, the practical things, what are required, the steps, the 5 steps which you told us, model by the way to encouraging the heart. That has now given me a good enlightenment internally, which I can practice it now in that process.
Right. So making it systematic makes a whole bunch of difference, right? You can do something here, something there. That is good, but you do it systematically. Excellent. Is that true?
Yes.
Round of applause for him.
I think it started off really well with that case study. It laid the precedent for a good session. Because I think when we read the case study, we ourselves understood a lot of attributes that we need to have.
Correct.
So generally, if you explain a theory in a training session, it gets monotonous and boring.
Correct.
But if a case study is given and the case study itself talks about what you're actually trying to hit, I think that was well covered. I think the case study is fabulous, what you started with. With regards to my application, like Subodh just said, now that I know the 5 points and the 10 attributes which I want to implement, each time that there's a new project that comes, I know what I need to fall back on so that I don't go wrong. It's like a checklist.
This is a wonderful thing that this is not just for this project. All the future projects, you become better leader and you take steps further. So round of applause for him. Because anytime you have a new project, refer. This is your manual that you can use. Thank you. Okay. You sir?
Yeah. It was great learning for me. Going forward, I would be a good leader.
Better leader,
Yeah,
right?
better leader.
And whether you are at 1 or you are at 100, you are going to become better.
Better.
If I am at 1, I can go to 2. If you are at 90, you can go to 92, right?
The takeaway is a Mark's story.
Mike's story,
Mike's
right?
story.
Great, thank you. Come to this bunch of people. Who do we start with? You, sir? Any takeaways, any learning?
That's you are told that 10 commandments of leader.
10 commandments. Correct.
I will ensure that we will implement in our process.
Great, great. Thank you. 10 commandments, anyone remembers? One more. Yes?
In the morning session, you begin with how these steps were it came from 30 years of research and experience. So this kind of becomes a Bible for us. Like
Right.
We can believe on this for any other project.
Wonderful. So it kind of becomes a Bible. That's a good idea. So I hope that you इसको गीता और बाइबल की तरह पढ़े कभी न कभी बार बार. तो हर बार आप पढ़ोगे ना, ऐसा कहते हैं ना कि गीता को जितनी बार पढ़ो उतनी बार कुछ न कुछ नया something jumps at you. So that's a wonderful analogy. Every time you look at it, you will find a new application from this. कि yeah, ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं. This was my focus. That was my focus. Next.
As in the entire session, it goes about the leadership. So I come to know regarding if we make a change, we have to initiate and we have to be with the people, not act as a boss. So as a leader, we have to begin with the togetherness. So I would like to have a departmental values, visions, which are already shared values and shared visions. So
We'll work on those.
which will be implemented in my department, and by following up, we can take the higher steps in our organization.
Great. So some of the applications would be vision and values with your team. That's what I understood.
So, leader. As we started the session, like set an example. A leader should set an example and lead a team by setting an example. It's the same thing. Like I agree to what he said. It's correct. Few things which were doing it earlier, but
Okay.
The practice or the methodology, and actually the entire session actually helped us to enlighten, give us a little more enlightenment about how it needs to be done. The effects, the positive effects and the negative effects also, came to be understood, and obviously we're going to make sure that we carry all the positive from here, and then we will implement the same thing in any of the projects which we have in the future.
Right. That's a great idea. Any of the projects? Yes, please.
It is a nice learning. This is the first time I have attended such type of presentation. Definitely, it will be helpful as far as day-to-day activities which normally we are doing in the office. Expectation was too high, and I think whatever we are thinking that what we will get it out of this course is definitely more or less we will definitely get it in this booklet itself. These booklets gives us a lot of idea what exactly we have to do, how we have to do, step by step you have given us in a very good manner. So if we can just keep this, what he said, that it is just as a Bible, what you said is, I
Right.
totally agreed with it.
Correct.
It is very difficult to implement this idea at a one day or
Yeah.
maybe 1 month or maybe within a week or time.
Right.
It will take little bit more time because it is more important about the team.
Yeah, Mark
So
Ingalls,
everybody is,
one step at a time,
yeah.
and 29,029 times.
Every
So that is what
it
it
may
will
be
take.
very much difficult also to just manage the team also.
Correct.
With the help of these points and with each and every topic, it will be very good to understand the team members and make the things happen in the day-to-day life.
Nicely summarized. Round of applause for him. You, sir?
Yeah, of course, it's really very nice session, and what I remember when we came here in the morning, and there was an introductory session where we all were asked to say their names and designations and their challenges and what all their expectations are there. So at that time, what I said is about my expectation from this training program. I'm sure all these are fulfilled because the methodology, what I said, the methodology and the systematic approach for the leadership. See, because day in, day out in our business, we fight with the situation, and that kind of leadership, what we learn, actually a lot of things we implement in our day-to-day life. But the systematic approach towards the team and choose a case study methodology, use that methodology, and through this applying these all tools, get the success is something I think great. And so there is now a good type of stuff that we got it to implement in our actual scenario in practical.
Great. Round of applause for him. No? ठीक बताया नहीं उन्होंने? Okay, perfect.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yeah, it is morning what I have came and heard about the leadership, and now it is a good thing to me to apply it to my team and my follower for that also, and to build up the team and their implementation for that, to make forward the value and the goal for more business and more opportunity for the leader.
Right, both business growth as well as individual fun and learning. Sarji?
Very, very honest feedback. Normally I avoid going to such training nowadays because I've seen a lot of trainers, they pass time, they do some activities, but you don't learn anything from this kind of training sessions. In the morning when I came, I thought, God knows what kind of training session I'm going to attend. And when I entered, I saw this dance and all. I said, Parvinder Singh, it is better you go back. But when it started, I was very impressed. And especially that movie, after I saw the movie, that kid was very, very impressive.
Movie moved you,
movie
right?
really moved me.
Right.
And there were tears in my eyes after seeing that movie. And when you ask that question, where you stand, you're a person who's waiting, somebody come and tells you. And trust me, I was on the very first level. I really wait, somebody comes and tells me, then only I act. A lot of time with my boss also, he said, why you're not proactive? And I say, sir, आपने तो बोला नहीं, आपने तो बताया नहीं, कि मुझे करना है.
Right, wait to be told.
And initiatives, yes, very, very learning session, and a lot of things I have learned now, and I'm very confident that this will help me a lot
in becoming a better leader.
And I want to implement from today only, after this session is over. I'm going to plan how exactly, which activity I'm supposed to do. Tomorrow being a Saturday, a lot of things I can, do at my
I
office.
think one thing good he mentioned is tomorrow being Saturday, it might give you a little bit time to review while it's fresh. So maybe you can put that.
And I'll be in touch with you if I face any challenges.
Sure.
So I'm a very,
right, absolutely.
big follower. I'll keep on calling you.
No. You can send us emails and we'll always respond. Be in touch. Great. Round of applause for him.
Thank you.
So you?
Session was very good, and definitely I'll implement this with current project as well as my personal
future
life.
projects.
Yeah, and personal.
New point. See, this is not just applicable to your work. Is it applicable to your personal life also?
Yes.
Yes or no? Because you are a leader in your community, in your home,
everywhere. Everybody looks
Okay, and most I like this. Take the interview within the team members and take their views and implement the same.
Yes, correct.
Everyday leadership concepts are very precisely defined, and it gave me a lot of clarity on what leadership is. Second thing, what I liked is in this book, you have really given step by step how one should proceed in his day-to-day working life.
It can be your Bible.
Yeah. Can be my Bible, and I'm thinking of implementing this
with your team.
With my team.
Wonderful. So that is what would make a difference. Remember the story of multimillionaire and the students? Everyone would have $1 million idea, but no one would become a millionaire. So here is whether you will become a millionaire or not. Yes, please. Richa?
Sir, I liked all the session, and the booklet is very nicely designed. If anyone can see step by step, they can understand easily. If later on, if I'll read after a month.
What are you trying to tell? I am not necessary at all. The booklet is good enough.
So the examples was very nice,
right.
And the case study and the video was also very nice. And one quote I have liked it very much: "If the actions inspire others to read more, learn more, and do more, and become more, you are the leader."
Very nice. Nice.
Are,
nice
Mahatma
quote.
Gandhi and,
Correct.
and Mother Teresa.
Clap for Richa then. Yes, sir.
It's a very nice session for whole day.
Okay.
And whatever leadership quality I have learned from a holiday, I can apply in my personal and professional life and develop my leadership quality.
Thank you.
Whatever you have presentation and teaching skill is very good.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
The content of the program was really great. as I was sharing with you, like in fact I had a program from IIM, so practical and theoretical. See, this is all practical, what we do normally. And every day we are doing a lot of work. We work like leaders, but the process what you have given us today is really a systematic approach and will be effective to be good leaders in future.
Great. Thank you so much.
It was an extremely knowledgeable session for me, though I am not here by choice. But
he was the hostage, only hostage.
Both of us like
but I enjoyed being here, and I may not remember all those 4 points, 10 Bible points, but I have realized that leader is not necessarily a person who possesses courage, just courage, innovation, or self-belief, but a person who can instigate that feelings into others.
Right.
Super.
Wonderful. There's a beautiful quote which says that until you become a leader, it's about growing yourself. Once you become a leader, it's about growing others. So that's what a leader is. So thank you so much.